In this video, hydrochloric acid manufacturing process. How to make hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid is a clear solution, colorless, soluble in water, and corrosive. If exposed to the heads will experience burn. If exposed to metal, the metal is corrosive. Hydrochloric acid itself in nature is found as ionized acid, which work to destroy food. Hydrochloric acid is a monoprotic acid or acid that ionizes by releasing and helpless ion. Well, if in air, this ion will react with water. There are 4 processes for making HCl. Number 1, sulfuric acid salt. Number 2, process hydrolysis. Number 3, direct synthetic hydrogen and chlorine. Number 4, recovery by product. Number 1, sulfuric acid salt. In this process, the raw material acid are H2SO4 and NaCl in a two-step reaction process. The first reaction is at 55 degrees Celsius. Here, sulfuric acid reacts with salt to produce sodium bisulfate and water. This sodium bisulfate is then reacted with sodium chloride to produce sodium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. Note, in the second reaction, the operating temperature is very high, namely 550 until 650. Number 2, process hydrolysis. The raw material acids are NaCl, SO2, water, and O2. The reaction that occurs is NaCl, SO2, O2, H2O produces sodium sulfate and also HCl. The reaction that occurs is endothermic, and the concoming reaction must reach a temperature of 450 until 540. Number 3, direct synthetic hydrogen and chlorine. This process is a process of reacting hydrogen and chlorine directly in a reactor. The HCl product produced in this process is a relatively high concentration. The reaction that occurs between hydrogen and chlorine is very exothermic, so the reactor is usually equipped with a cooling system. Number 4, recovery by product. In this process, hydrochloric acid is not the main product of an organic process, but as a byproduct or byproduct of the organic process. Several processes that produce HCl as a byproduct include the manufacture of vinyl chloride, isocyanates, manufacture chlorination of aliphatic hydrocarbon.